try banana and honey cream to alleviate coughing and cold symptoms. Honey and bananas are very effective ingredients to alleviate a sore throat, since they calm irritation and provide vitamins, minerals and antioxidants. Continuous changes in climate, especially low temperatures, cause a weakening of the immune system that make us susceptible to various illnesses. Even if the cold doesn't directly cause colds or the flu, it is proven that being exposed to low temperatures increases the risk of causing these symptoms. The problem is that we're not always able to avoid this, and we end up having to cope with a series of annoyances that affect our quality of life. Even though there are a wide variety of commercial remedies to help us, they are not always the best option for our bodies. Of course, companies produce these remedies with chemicals, so their excessive consumption can cause secondary undesired reactions. Because of this, it's a good idea to learn some natural alternatives. Thanks to their medicinal properties, these offer similar effectiveness without any type of risk. Fortunately, the selection of homemade remedies is plentiful. They also tend to be based on ingredients that are close at hand for everyone. One of these is nothing more than a delicious banana and honey cream, which is ideal to increase your defenses and control coughing. Homemade banana and honey cream to combat coughing and colds. This natural remedy is quite popular not just for its effectiveness, but also because it's easy to prepare and has a nice flavor. This is mainly recommended for children, since the nutrients strengthen their defenses and create a protective barrier against viruses. It's also effective for adults and, in fact, it is good for bronchitis, severe coughs, and lung problems. Properties of bananas. Bananas are sweet fruit that possess versatility and high nutritional value. They are one of the most recommended foods to supply energy to the body and at the same time strengthen the immune system. They contain a significant amount of fiber, besides natural sugars and essential antioxidants and minerals. Their contribution of folic acid takes part in the production of red and white blood cells. This helps to keep defenses up. Bananas are very easy on the throat. They also help to reduce irritation caused by the flu, colds, and other respiratory problems. Properties of honey. Honey is one of the most potent antibiotics that nature has to offer. It's considered a superfood. Honey is a significant source of vitamins, minerals, antioxidants and enzymes. It improves your body's defense mechanisms and the presence of antibodies. Since the olden days, honey has been one of the popular remedies for the treatment of respiratory problems. After all, it minimizes symptoms and accelerates recuperation thanks to its antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. These are key to the treatment of these types of illnesses. Honey is a source of vitamin C and B complex, besides minerals such as potassium, calcium and iron. How to prepare this natural banana and honey cream. To prepare this homemade banana and honey cream, be sure to use fresh ingredients that are 100% organic. After all, there are many varieties of honey that have been submitted to industrial processes or refinement. This means that even though the flavor is similar, the medicinal properties are minimal or non-existent. Because of this, the benefits are reduced or simply end up not working at all. Ingredients: 2 ripe bananas, 2 tablespoons of honey, 1 pint of boiling water. Preparation: first, peel 2 ripe bananas and place them in a container. Then, add the honey. Take a fork and spoon and use them to crush the fruit until you have a thick paste. Pour boiling water over the paste, cover it and let it soak for 30 minutes. How to eat it. Eat 1 or 2 tablespoons of the hot cream, at most 4 times a day. Store in the refrigerator and heat each time you want to repeat the dose. Take into account that even though this remedy is miraculous for coughs and colds, it's a good option to deal with the symptoms. Consume this according to the recommendations given and enjoy all of the benefits.